Where were we 2 Saturdays ago? The Living No Lie tour here in NYC. Myself and Lisa Alamo were invited by the Maria Antoinette to be hair models for her demo of the Big Chop hair clip-in extensions. You don't have to be a hairstylist to apply these clip-ins. I'm here to show you how easy it is to install and later on style your Big Chop clip-ins. Now, since I don't want to weigh my hair down, I don't moisturize and seal every night, so to refresh daily, I add my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner just to add some kind of nourishment to my hair, because you don't want to leave it dry or anything. Starting from the back of my head, I'm taking the tail end of my comb and just parting about 1 inch or so above my knee.
I need it badly.
Running my Denman brush through my hair just to get the tangles out and distribute that leave-in conditioner. Now here's a close-up of the 2-inch clip-in weft that is so easy to snap open and close the clip. They're not uncomfortable or anything to wear. So, and the same thing is just how I like to take off my wig when I come home. Trust, it's that easy to remove the. Now I'm about 10 weeks post-relaxer, so right now I do have the roots for the combs to actually stick into. If you're freshly relaxed, all you have to do is tease your roots just a little bit, just so that they can fluff out more and the clip-in will go right in. The blown straight texture of these clip-ins make it so easy to blend with my own relaxed hair. So much so that I really didn't even need to use the flat iron, but I just wanted to blend it a little bit more so that it looked a little bit more seamless. So that's what you're going to see here, me working my way up to the front of my head, basically just parting, applying the track, flat ironing, going back and forth between those 3 things.
It makes me feel that so irie. It's clear to see, it grows naturally. Get it from me, the I could over for me. It makes me feel that so irie. It's clear to see, it grows naturally. Was found in the garden of King Solomon. You should know we
so here's how the blending looks from the back. So I'm just gonna rock this knick-knack headband just to keep the hair off my face and neck because it's hot.
Most of the leaders in this world, they got a plan. I don't care if they wanna legalize.
The Big Chop hair blown straight clip-ins are so versatile and blend so good with my hair. They're so easy to style. I'm loving my Big Chop clip-ins.
I ended up sleeping in my clip-ins last night, which is something I don't suggest, but all I did was I tied a scarf around it so nothing moves, and then I just braided it. I did a 2-strand twist, so I took out the 2-strand twist, and I'm getting ready for work. I'm not going to have time to curl it as I wanted to, so I'm going to go ahead and do one of my favorite protective styles, which is going to be the goddess braid. So I have my part here already, and I'll show you what it looks like in the back.
It's glad to see.
So here, I'm just going to do, I guess it's like a free part, if you want to call it that, because I'm really not going to part it, but I do want this to be natural. So I'm just going to tie up the bigger sections for now, and we're going to work with this side first. So I'm going to take my Denman brush and just brush off any kinks, and also this clip-in right here is a little loose, so I'm gonna go ahead and clip it. You just want to brush your hair into the direction where you're gonna braid. So, taking this first piece of section here, I'm gonna start my braid. And I hope you guys can see this.
Now the key to a goddess braid is making sure that you braid the hair towards the front of your head, and you'll see I didn't even follow my own advice. I'm not in front of a mirror as I just told y'all, so I'm just basically freestyling this, and you'll see on the other side when I get to the bigger section, I guess my arms got lazy or whatever, so I wasn't going all the way, so it's all good. It still looks cute though.
already has a hump from what I can see. I'm looking into my laptop. I have the camera connected to the laptop and I can barely see, so I hope it looks okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to take these ends and make a bun. So I'll take the first one, wrap it around, and then I'll just take the second one and wrap it the opposite way.
Now we're at the back. I'm just going to add 2 hairpins here real quick and we're good to go. I really hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, the Big Chop hair blown straight clip-ins are so versatile and blend so good with my Texlax hair. If you'd like to see more styles with the Big Chop clip-ins, definitely let me know by showing me some love on this video. Big shout out to Maria Antoinette and Melissa from Big Chop Hair. Definitely check out Lisa's video. She got all my natural girls covered. Until next time, beauties, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all.